Hey, young historians, Mr. Moran here, and we are moving to the Constitutional Convention. So, up until this time, the United States government has functioned using the Articles of Confederation. Remember, this was our first Constitution. But, as we have learned, the Articles of Confederation had many limitations, including calling up federal army during an armed rebellion, such as the Shays Rebellion, right? And also, it was really difficult for the federal government to get taxes, because actually, when you look at the wording of the Articles of Confederation, the federal government could only ask for the states to pay taxes. And really, who wants to pay taxes? When the federal government says, hey, can you pay some? The states, for the most part, were saying, nah, not this year. So, delegates from all 13 states were called for a constitutional convention to amend or change the Articles of Confederation. But what happens during the next few months is amazing, if not historical. And some historians say that those guys who met for this constitutional convention, we call them framers. You know, they're the framers of the Constitution. Some historians said that those framers committed a coup. And a coup is a French word which means an overthrow. Because remember, they were meeting at this Constitutional Convention to only modify the Articles of Confederation. But in reality, they scrap it and they come up with a whole new plan. So, for this assignment, what you will learn. Understand what the three main plans were for the new Constitution, analyze the reasons certain states might support some plans and not others, and identify the compromises on the issue of slavery. Now, I say three. There's going to be two that they may talk about, and that third one is what the final plan was called. Okay, and what you will do, you're going to watch some videos about the Constitutional Convention and answer quiz questions and analyze population maps as it relates to enslaved people. And that's it. And of course, if you have any questions, please visit me during office hours or ask your teacher for some help. All right, we'll see ya. Bye.